أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وآخرون اعترفوا بذنوبهم خلطوا عملا صالحا وآخر سيئا عسى الله أن يتوب عليهم إن الله غفور رحيم.
Others have confessed their sins, having mixed good deeds with bad deeds. Perhaps Allah will redeem them. Allah is forgiving and merciful.
خذ من أموالهم صدقة تطهرهم وتزكيهم بها وصل عليهم إن صلاتك سكن لهم والله سميع عليم.
Receive contributions from their wealth, to purify them and sanctify them with it, and pray for them. Your prayer is comfort for them. Allah is hearing and knowing.
ألم يعلموا أن الله هو يقبل التوبة عن عباده ويأخذ الصدقات وأن الله هو التواب الرحيم.
Do they not know that Allah accepts the repentance of His servants, and that He receives the contributions, and that Allah is the acceptor of repentance, the merciful?
وقل اعملوا فسيرى الله عملكم ورسوله والمؤمنون وستردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Say, work. Allah will see your work, and so will His messenger, and the believers. Then you will be returned to the knower of secrets and declarations, and he will inform you of what you used to do.